When I went to my account on a different window, it showed me that my 2 reward certificates have already been claimed, and that is not true because all I've purchased in the last 6 months from Build-A-Bear are Sanrio bears. Welcome to my channel. We're talking about Sanrio Build-A-Bear today. Forget the intro. Let's just jump right into it. So Pochacco launched, I don't know, last month, and I did get him immediately when he went live, but due to other circumstances, I haven't had a chance to do an unboxing, a review, all that good stuff, so that's what we're doing right now. And I have a rant about Build-A-Bear right after I show you Pochacco. Also, Keroppi has now since also been released, and I have not picked them up yet because I really want to do it in person. I say it all the time, I want to do it my bears in person. I think it's a better experience, blah blah blah, and yet I never do it. So this time I'm gonna get Keroppi from hopefully the Build-A-Bear kiosk in Queen Center Mall, if they even have it. So this is Pochacco without his clothes. I did end up getting the little clothing set for him because I think he looks really cute with it, but even just alone, naked, little naked Pochacco looks absolutely adorable. This is probably one of my favorite Build-A-Bear Sanrio creations yet. I have talked about in the past the issues I had with my Melody and Kuromi's face just kind of being on the lower half, and I was a little concerned about the shape of Pochacco in comparison to how he's typically portrayed in the Sanrio merch. But now that I have him in person, I'm actually very pleased. He's super soft, super cute. I love the floppy ears. I love the little button nose and his little tail in the back. Very cute. And then the outfit is $13.50. You can also buy it separately. So it features a hoodie that says Pochacco, and then Pochacco has a little soccer ball, which I think is cute, and then the little shorts also say Pochacco down the side. It's striped, it's athletic, it's just really cute, and it has a hole for his tail as well. So I'm gonna put that on so we can see how he looks without the outfit and with the outfit. So here's Pochacco with the hoodie on. I love the detailing. I think it's cute. It's nice and oversized. It kind of covers the shorts just a little bit, but you can always bring the shorts down a bit. But it is adorable. I love it. I think it's the cutest little outfit and also super soft. Let's do a price breakdown. So just a Pochacco plush is $34. The outfit, like I said, was $13.50. So that made my total $47.50. So Sanrio bears, I guess, are now excluded from any kind of promotion. So the shipping was $9.95. Taxes was $5.10. So that brought up my total to $62.55, which is not cheap. And that brings me to my rant. So, right when I said that, there's an ambulance flying by. But basically, I went on TikTok as soon as this bear went live and I purchased it and I did a rant. However, I don't think I was very clear when I was doing that rant. Basically, my annoyance with Build-A-Bear, aside from the fact that they're putting limitations on what you can use your gift certificates for, though when I say that, I guess I shouldn't call them gift certificates. They're the reward certificates from their own program. So you get a point for every dollar you spend, whatever. We've talked about this before. If you're new to it, I will put it up on the screen right here. Basically, you rack up, you get a certain amount of points, I think 100 points, and then you get a $10 gift certificate. Not gift certificate. Then you get a $10 reward certificate. You used to be able to use this on anything. Obviously, maybe not gift cards. That's a normal exclusion with these types of things. I used to work for Build-A-Bear many years ago. I have a video about it. So I say this with love, but also with frustration in the fact that I don't think there should be any limitations for your reward certificates, because that is hard-earned money, and it unfortunately forces you, like if I'm only interested in Sanrio bears and I cannot use my reward certificates on Sanrio bears, it forces me to have to buy something from their own line, which yeah, there's some cute things, but what if I don't want anything from there? What if I'm trying to be more conscious of my spending, which I am. That's like the goal of 2024. So unfortunately, that was an issue, but it's fine. Like I kind of saw it coming, but I'm wondering what else is going to be excluded. Are Pokemon bears also going to be excluded? Because as an employee, when you used to get a discount, Pokemon bears would give you like 30% off instead of like the 50% off you would get from everything else. So that makes sense. But with the reward certificates, so when Pochacco went live, there was a free shipping code. Obviously, I wasn't able to use it. I get it. I guess it's frustrating, but that's fine. When I went to my account on a different window, it showed me that my 2 reward certificates have already been claimed, and that is not true because all I've purchased in the last 6 months from Build-A-Bear are Sanrio bears, and there's clearly, so I'm clearly not able to use it for that. So I was really concerned that they were claimed, and that's what I was trying to talk about in a TikTok video. I still don't know why it says that. And then a couple weeks later, after I purchased Pochacco, maybe a week later, I got another email saying, oh, congrats, you earned an another reward. So I go to my account and now there's only 2, but there should be 3. The original 2 that said were claimed, and then the new one that I just earned based on this purchase. So that concerns me. I contacted customer service and they might have answered back through email. I think I'd have better results just calling, but honestly, I have so much to do this past couple of weeks, which is why I really haven't been uploading. I've been so like messy, and there's just so much going on in my life that I don't have the time to sit down and talk to customer service about a bear. You know what I mean? It's just frustrating that that even happened, that my certificate said claimed when I clearly didn't place any orders in the past couple of months. I can't even remember what the last item I picked up that wasn't Sanrio from Build-A-Bear, but I know I spent a lot of money at Build-A-Bear. So to see these kinds of limitations being placed on reward certificates really annoys me, because now I should, in theory, have $30 worth of rewards, even though it's only saying I have 20, so that's why I have to contact customer service. But in theory, I have $30 worth of rewards, and there's really nothing I want to spend. Like, yes, they're generic bears are cute and stuff, but at this point, I have amassed so many plushies that I do want to be selective in what I use and what I buy and how much I'm accumulating, because it just stays here in big piles and it's not even being displayed properly as of right now because of my living situation. So I will admit that that's also another reason why it took so long with this video, aside from the fact that I'm in school full time and all of these other issues, the death in the family. There's been a lot going on if you follow me on other platforms and you know what I'm talking about. But basically, I think Pochacco's really cute. Kurobi, I'm gonna try to get, but at the time that I'm filming this video, New York City is about to get hit with a snowstorm, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to head to the mall in a reasonable fashion to go and pick up to go and pick up Kurobi, even if he's there, which he might not be, because that kiosk has much more limited stock versus a store. Nonetheless, I wanted to come here, I wanted to talk. I really miss you guys. I hope you're doing well, and those who have stuck by me and have continued to watch these videos, I really, really, really appreciate it. I'm hoping to come back with more energy, more love, and more time placed into my YouTube channel, because it's still my favorite place to be. And 2024 has just been a little bit of a rough start, but I'm gonna keep pushing forward. As always, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.